Alright, today I'm gonna install some center caps on my Cybertruck rim or wheels, and I'm gonna go through 4 different choices that I picked from Amazon. So I'm gonna install them and show you what they look like, and give you a review of which one I like the best. So, but anyways, I bought these 2 different types of single piece center caps. So I have this one right here, kind of look like a sunflower or something like that. Has these sharp triangular corners here, and kind of like a sunflower in the middle. So this is made out of plastic. They're all made out of plastic. That's what it looks like on the back side. This sort of has a shiny, semi-gloss to satin shiny rough finish. Alright, so this is a little more smooth looking as far as the finish is concerned. That's what it looks like on the back. This is also made out of plastic. There's room here if you want to put some sort of decal in the middle here. I guess you could do that here too, but it's a little bit rough. But this, you know, it has sort of like a 3D effect. It's not completely flat. Sort of has a 3D effect to it. So we're gonna try these on. Again, this is a single piece. Then we'll move on to this. This one is a small center cap. It covers the center only, and then you're gonna have to use these covers for the lug nuts. And this, I would say, is a satin finish, not very shiny. And then yeah, and then you're gonna have to use these to cover up the lug nuts. And lastly, I bought this gloss center cap, which also requires the separate lug nut covers, and so these are just completely shiny as well. So this is sort of like the high gloss finish. So let's try them on and decide which one looks the best. All right, let's start with these sunflowers. These are kind of cool. All right. Let me show you what they look like on what the wheels look like before I install them. So these are just the hubcaps that come with the Cybertruck. This is the Cybertruck Dual, and it comes with the core wheels, 20-inch core wheels. So the core wheels, they have these hubcaps, and that's what they look like. Pull on these holes right here, and that's what it looks like. But you got these ribs, they just go towards the center, and then you got this polygon shape in the middle by these sunflowers. Looks like, make sure that it's all, the clip is installed properly, and then you're gonna have to just snap it in. Ooh, that didn't feel very strong. Ooh, that kind of slips off easily. See with it is that it doesn't have a very strong fastener. I probably won't pick that one, but let's take a look at what it looks like on both wheels. All right, so pull this off. All right, so see how you could just pull it off with your fingers, with your fingernails? So that's not, but they look pretty good. But I won't keep them just because they don't have a nice secure hold to them. Now for my second choice here, let's try these on. Same thing, they just snap in place. Ooh. Ooh, this doesn't feel secure either. It needs to go in more. But it doesn't. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look very flush. Kind of sticking out here. I don't know, maybe these don't fit on this, on the core wheels. Maybe they actually fit on the upgraded 20-inch wheel. Huh, okay. Let's see how hard it is to pull it off. Oh, that's nice and easy. That's too easy to pull off. Yeah, between these two, this one was better. Now, this one also has that metal clip. Let's put this one on. See how this one fits. Oh, that was a nice snap. That's what that one looks like. And I guess you need 6 of these guys. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these caps will cover up the lug nuts. And there you go. That's what that one. All right. That one is just a simple cover. Looks all right. Like how it snapped in there nice and tight. So at least it's secure. Ooh, did you hear that? That's a nice snap. All right, so that's what it looks like there. And you're gonna wanna, okay, that looks all right. You gotta use this tool to remove this. So put this, I guess, in the hole. And pull it out. All right, so last but not least is the final one here. This one does not have a metal clip on it, but let's see how it fits. Oh, that has a nice snap to it. Oh, not bad. All right, hook. All right. All right. Okay. These are semi-gloss covers as well, or actually pretty glossy. So this actually does not match. The sheen does not match the tire, but you know what? It's kind of nice. I like the so I think if I shine my tire, I'd not have a nice shiny tire sidewall, and having this center cap being nice and shiny, I think it might look all right. And I kind of like how this looks here with this 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, that shape in the middle, it kind of adds to it. So if I were to paint my calipers or put some caliper covers, you would see that red caliper on the inside, and this would look like that in the back. Same thing with the caliper right here, if that was red. Yeah, so if you ask me, I think those look the best. They really do. Yeah, and I like how they were nice and tight, the fit, and I think that's pretty good. I think that's what it's gonna look like. All right, so I did buy a couple of decals. They're vinyl decals, Tesla decals. One is a gloss flip psychedelic, because I am gonna wrap my car with a psychedelic black wrap. So I purchased that one, and I also got this gloss red, just in case I was gonna try and put a red Tesla symbol in the center. So alright guys, that's it for this video. This is my pick for the best center caps for the core wheels on the Cybertruck. The core wheels, to me, look best with the center septagon or polygon exposed. The one-piece center cap that covers the entire polygon just didn't look right. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I have more content coming for you soon. Thanks and goodbye.